Welcome to Future Fuel, where we ignite your passion for the latest in automotive innovation, CF. The Audi A8 has long been a pinnacle of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. For 2025, the A8 raises the bar yet again, offering a blend of sophistication and power that's hard to rival. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Audi A8 an extraordinary machine. Design that demands attention. The exterior of the 2025 Audi A8 is nothing short of stunning. With its sharp lines and aerodynamic design, the A8 exudes elegance and aggression in perfect harmony. Audi's signature single-frame grille takes center stage, now featuring a revised honeycomb pattern that gives the car a sportier edge. Flanking the grille are matrix LED headlights with dynamic light animations, ensuring the A8 doesn't just look great, but also enhances visibility during night driving. The 21-inch alloy wheels paired with a lowered stance complete the bold and commanding look. Around back, the quad exhaust outlets and a subtle rear diffuser hint at the performance potential lurking beneath the hood. Audi's meticulous attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour, making the A8 a true work of art. Cabin of unparalleled luxury. The theater of sanity. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both opulent and tech-savvy. The 2025 A8 offers premium Valcona leather seats with diamond stitching, adjustable in multiple ways to ensure maximum comfort. Ambient lighting allows you to set the mood, with over 30 color options to choose from. The centerpiece of the interior is Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display that can be customized to show everything from navigation to performance data. This is complemented by dual touchscreens in the center console, providing seamless control over infotainment, climate settings, and vehicle functions. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with optional executive seating that includes massage functions, individual climate controls, and even a rear entertainment system. Whether you're driving or being driven, the A8 guarantees a first-class experience. Performance that thrills. At the heart of the 2025 Auto A8 is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse delivers exhilarating acceleration, launching the A8 from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring optimal grip and stability in all conditions. The adaptive air suspension has been fine-tuned for 2025, offering a perfect balance between sporty handling and plush ride comfort. For those who crave even more control, the dynamic package includes active rear-wheel steering and a sport differential, allowing the A8 to carve through corners with precision. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the A8 delivers a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. Technology at your fingertips. The 2025 Audi A8 is packed with advanced technology to keep you connected and safe. The latest MMI infotainment system supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. Audi's natural voice recognition system ensures you can control most functions without taking your hands off the wheel. In terms of safety, the A8 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system work together to make every journey safer and more relaxing. For 2025, Audi has also introduced an enhanced night vision system capable of detecting pedestrians and animals up to 200 meters ahead. Sustainability meets performance. Audi has made strides in making the A8 more eco-friendly. The 2025 model incorporates mild hybrid technology, improving fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. This system works seamlessly with the V8 engine, providing a greener driving experience without compromising on performance. Why the 2025 Audi A8 stands out. The 2025 Audi A8 isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. It combines breathtaking design, state-of-the-art technology, and heart-pounding performance in a way that few competitors can match. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride as a passenger, the A8 promises an experience that's unforgettable. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a car that redefines what a luxury performance sedan can be, the 2025 Audi A8 deserves your attention. With its blend of craftsmanship, innovation, and power, it's a vehicle that truly stands in a league of its own. Stay tuned to Future Fuel for more updates on the latest automotive breakthroughs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep your passion for cars burning bright.